Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be talking about the Colourpop It's My Pleasure eyeshadow palette. The moment Colourpop came out with this palette, I knew I had to have it. I love purples. This is like a dream purple palette. Purple and green are two of my favorite colors to wear on my eyes. And the palette is steel. It's only $12. I have played around with this palette a little bit before creating these three looks, and I will be using most of the shades today. Do or Do, Mr. Salmon, and Earthshine are beautiful duochromes. Just absolutely stunning shimmers. Chiclet is a little bit harder to work with. This palette definitely tends to lean a little bit more pinky purple than like a cool tone purple. So the only thing I wish maybe Kitten Fish was maybe a little bit more purple toned than pinky toned. But all in all, I love all these colors. So if you would like to see the three looks that I created with this palette, please keep watching.
Money that I don't accept. Like this. Daytime better come correct. They ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Like this. I took it. She said we should hook up the boyfriend and boogie. Don't know me, they look up. I be in the clouds. Pool full of Henny, I drink and I drown. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Like this. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Like this.
And these are the finished looks. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and if you have picked up this palette and how you like it, or if you will be picking it up. I would love to know your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.